The Galaxy Z Fold6 offers impressive AI features in a lighter, thinner design, along with durability improvements. I also like the slightly wider front display, which is easier to use than past folds. Based on my testing, this is the most well-rounded foldable around. Samsung has once again pushed the boundaries of smartphone innovation with the release of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 in July 2024. This high-end smartphone boasts cutting-edge features and a stunning design that are sure to impress even the most discerning tech enthusiasts. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 features a sleek and modern design that is sure to turn heads. The smartphone comes equipped with a screen Super AMOLED display that measures 6.3 inches with a resolution of 968 by 2376 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, 2600 nits. The display also supports HDR10+ technology and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring durability and scratch resistance. In terms of audio, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 is equipped with stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos sound technology, providing an immersive audio experience for users. The smartphone is crafted from high-quality materials, including aluminum, glass, and plastic, giving it a premium look and feel. The glass used on the device is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, further enhancing its durability. One of the standout features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 is its foldable display. When unfolded, the smartphone sports a 7.6 inches dynamic AMOLED 2 display with a resolution of 2160 by 2156 pixels and 2600 nits. The display supports HDR+ technology and always-on display functionality. The device also boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate and dynamic refresh rate technology, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading edition processor, built on a 4nm architecture. This powerful processor ensures smooth and efficient performance, making multitasking a breeze. The smartphone comes with 12GB of RAM, LPDDR5X, and storage options ranging from 256 to 1TB, all utilizing UFS Storage 4.0 technology. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 also features a robust cooling system to prevent overheating during intensive use. The Antutu benchmark score of 22,000 reflects the impressive performance capabilities of this device. Security is ensured with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, allowing for quick and secure access to the device. The camera setup on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 is nothing short of impressive. The smartphone features a triple camera system, including a 50-megapixel standard lens with an f1.8 aperture, a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens with a 2.2 aperture, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an f2.4 aperture. Additionally, the device boasts a 10-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture. The camera setup on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 includes optical stabilization, OIS, 4K and 8K video recording capabilities, and an under-display camera for a seamless viewing experience. The internal front camera is located under the display, featuring a 4-megapixel lens with an f1.8 aperture. The telephoto lens offers 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom, while the ultra-wide-angle lens provides a wide field of view at 123 degrees. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 offers a range of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, dual SIM support, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, and GPS with L1 plus L5 support. The device also features eSIM capabilities, allowing users to easily switch between carriers without needing a physical SIM card. With a battery capacity of 4,400 mAh, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 offers all-day battery life for uninterrupted use. The smartphone supports fast charging up to 25 watts, as well as wireless charging and reverse charging capabilities, making it convenient for users to charge their devices on the go. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 is a standout smartphone that combines top-notch features with a stunning design. The device excels in camera quality, design, NFC capabilities, and performance, making it a top choice for users who demand the best in smartphone technology. While the device lacks a mini jack and external storage options, the overall package offered by the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6 is sure to impress even the most demanding tech enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.